Hey everyone, back with you, another video here. We're going to talk about some common things that you should be looking for if you're going to consider staking a small cap cryptocurrency. There's a new coin on the market. You love it. It has staking capabilities. You can earn a passive income. Maybe it's got a huge APY, so why not? What are things that you should be looking out for to determine if you should actually be staking these coins or not? That's the topic of today's video. Thank you so much for the CT Club member who sent in this question to us. I really appreciate it. So I'm drawing from that question for inspiration for today's video. And there's about eight things that I think you should be considering before you decide to stake your coins. The first thing that you should be looking for if you're going to be staking your coins, and remember, staking means network participation security. It does not mean lending. It is not DeFi. It is actually staking on the network. And because of that, you're going to be using smart contracts. So which is also true with DeFi and lending as well, not to get that confused. They all use smart contracts. But here for staking as well, because it's using smart contracts, you should really make sure that the code has been audited. If you want to know how to find that information, if you are a CT Club member, you can go to the CT Club drop-down menu and click on the resources list. And then from there, click on DeFi Tools. And then there's a list of helpful websites for you to help you analyze and help you do your own research on different crypto projects that catch your eye. One really helpful website that I use for checking if, number one, the code has been audited, great. If it has not been audited, bad sign. If it has been audited recently, also great. If they found issues, have they been remedied? Those are the checklists that you should be checking out. A lot of those give you indications of the efforts of the development team and the capabilities of the development team as well. And so this website here is d.fi/audit-database. I'll put a link to it down below in the video description. Other things you should be deciding before you stake a small cap coin. Is there a minimum required to stake? Do they require you to buy quite a lot of coins comparatively to what you would have otherwise purchased? Are you doing that just to earn staking rewards? Is there a lockup period, especially now that we're like in the grips of a bull market? And as such, you should be mindful of taking profits, not purchasing more coins. So if there is a lockup period, is it long enough that it might cause you to miss a good selling opportunity to take profits because it's actually locked up within the smart contract and you can't access your coins yet? Toby and I tend to stake our coins, during the bear market, during the accumulation phase, because less people are staking then actually, and you get a better APY, and you're a dollar cost averaging while the prices are low, and you can appreciate that. When the prices go higher, you can take profits, and you can preemptively start unstaking if there is a lockup period in time, so that you've earned staking rewards for a decent amount of time, and you can unstake and still take profits of your core investment if you want to. Speaking of profits and rewards, you got to check out, is it self-compounding? Will it be adding back onto the balance, which would help you in the future generate even more rewards? The fifth thing to consider, this isn't necessarily in order. The audit one is definitely first, but wallets options is also very important here. What type of wallets do they work with? Is it such a new project that there's like one wallet to use and you're not even sure if it's security? Is it compatible with hardware wallets? That is even better. If it's compatible with MetaMask or Rabi wallet, you can pair that with your hardware wallet. So you have the interoperability of the Web3 wallet, that is Rabi wallet, and you can pair it with your hardware wallet so you get the security of your hardware wallet as well. And let's say you are getting rewards and you want to maybe claim your rewards or start unstaking. Maybe you're having issues because this is a new project and there's still plenty of bugs to be worked out. Maybe it's a new project and they're not really planning to let you actually access those rewards. A really helpful place to go is to their public Discord channel. You can find a lot of these social media, the official links to the social media of these coins using coingecko.com. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. Let's say INJ, for example. So you go and you search INJ. Here you go. So you go and you search INJ here on CoinGecko, and as we scroll down, we see all the information about the coins. And then as we scroll further under this info, you can reference the contract address for the actual coin, so you make sure you're buying the authentic INJ and not a copycat. Their websites here, explores, and also all of the wallets that store and work with INJ listed here, and their community, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. I really stay away from Telegram just because there's so many scammers there. On Discord, also have to be careful of scammers if you are asking for help. If you want to judge if there's a lot of people complaining that they can't access their rewards if they can't unstake, maybe just see what kind of responses that the development team or the moderators on their Discord are providing to those who are having issues. That can be an indication of them as well, and like their intent to be long-term project or not. Another important thing to understand about staking is, where are the rewards coming from? Are they being generated from transaction fees? Or are they being generated from pre-mined coins? And it's basically just inflating the supply in a somewhat, controlled manner, but it is an inflation of the supply. And if it's a huge APY, and you're not the only one staking, there's a lot of people getting a lot of coins, that's a large inflation happening with that coin. Now, most of these new projects can get away with this because that inflating supply is matched with new users coming in. But over the long term, how long does that go for? When does the APY change, if it does? And how does that inflation affect the actual price of the coin? These are all things you need to be paying attention to. And the eighth point here is huge APY could be a red flag. Large amounts of inflating supply. Exactly. I gave you a twofer for 7 and 8, number 7 and number 8 there. But yeah, so those are important things that you should pay attention to before staking a small cap cryptocurrency. There's lots of opportunities for passive income, and staking can certainly be an excellent opportunity for that as well. These are the types of tips that you can expect if you join the CT Club at learningcrypto.com. If you found this video to be helpful, I appreciate it if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. We put out videos every single day, keeping you up to date on everything that has to do with cryptocurrencies and giving you tips and tricks along the way on how to do it most successfully. Thank you for watching. See you later.